Hi everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today we'll discuss about a particular sector which is a proxy of infra sector. So we know how the infra push is going on in the country, and with the upcoming budget we're expecting that infra push to continue towards roads, railways, commercial establishment, government upgradation, and also in the private side you have residential projects coming in, commercial projects coming in, airports getting revamped or getting set up new airports. So all these things together give a good push to infra sector, and in this push you will get a lot of proxies which will also get benefited from this infra push. So today we'll discuss about one of the proxies. So first let's see what the proxies are there. Cement is on the proxy, cables and wires on the proxy, then you have proxy like pipes, proxy like steel, then you have proxy like sanitary, your bathtubs and commodes and everything when it comes to residential and commercial projects. So there are a lot of proxies of this kind. So today we'll discuss about one proxy which is cement as a sector. If we talk about cement sector, cement is a very high capex business, willing a lot of money, and the margins are also very thin if you see compared to other sectors. So and very capital intensive business, and there is a lot of fluctuation here in this business because of raw material price change. Fuel gets impacted, then your raw material like limestone price increase, then it gets impacted. So it's a very tricky sector to play in, but it's a very important. Cement is very important for no matter what you do. You build road, you need cement. You build house, you need cement. You do everything. There is a requirement of cement right now. So a lot of companies have been doing good in the past. Ultratech recently has seen a rally, but Ultratech SSC is a very big company. They are like kind of market leaders. So today we talk about one particular company which is a very small cap company. You can say around market cap of around 1600 crores kind of thing, and there's a good potential why this company can double up in a very small amount of time. And it's a small amount of time, maybe a year or 1.5 year kind of thing. This is a chance of getting doubling up. So we'll discuss what the reason why the stock can double up, why the reason I chose this stock, and everything else about this particular company. But before that, if you find this video helpful, do share with your friends and family, and do like the video and give feedback in the comment section. And this disclaimer that I don't have not invested in this stock, and also this is not a recommendation. This is my personal opinion. You do your own research before making any kind of investment. So let's jump into the stock discussion right now. Company we're going to talk about today is Sri Digvijay Cement. Okay, so Sri Digvijay Cement is a small cap company which operates in the state of Gujarat. So their primary market and the only market is Gujarat. So why are talking about this company? First, let's talk about the fundamentals. If you see fundamentals, the stock is trading at a PE of 19, which is very attractive. Considering this stock has a fundamental of ROC of 34, ROE of 24.9, and this is a debt-free company. If you see debt to equity ratio is 0.00, and this company has a profit of 87.8 crore where debt is only 0.02 crore, which is almost negligible. And this company is also going through a capacity expansion, so we'll discuss that also. But one important factor which highlighted in the past couple of videos also, which is peg ratio. This is important for me because this says the company is growing, and the price is not growing at the speed of the growth of the company. So that's why the peg ratio is less than 1, and it is much less than 1. So it says that company growth is much faster compared to the price growth. So this is one, the fundamentals are very clear. If we talk about details of product portfolio, it's very similar to any other cement company. They have different kind of cements, which is Portland cement, then ODPC cement, SRPC cement, oil well cement. So I don't know about so much about the cement sectors, but I just know that they are also doing a lot of cement just like any other company. Why I chose this company? Primary reason is because they are in the state of Gujarat, and if you would have seen for last 10 years trend, Gujarat has been always has been the forefront of development, be it railway, be it road project, be it sport project, be it this gift city. Gujarat has always been the front runner in any kind of government projects which is going to push. It can be any reason for this, but it's getting all the attention required. And when a state goes through economic upcycle, definitely the proxies and the companies which operate in that sector will also get a push. And since Digvijay Cement primarily operates in this particular state and there is a good market in this state, I can say this company will get a lot of benefit from this state push which Gujarat is getting right now from our government. So this is the reason why I picked this stock apart from the fundamental reasons. So if you compare the peer group, so I'll not say this is exactly peer group because Ultratech is a huge large cap company, even SEC is a large cap company, and this is a small cap company. But since it's sector wise, if you go in that sector wise comparison, their operating margin is almost close to their the largest company in the sector. and then ROE, ROC is almost like kind of highest in the sector. And if you see their peg ratio is also the best in the sector. If I go further and details all everything in the sector, then also you'll realize that Digvijay is present over here. If you see the market cap, any company which is less than this also doesn't have an ROE or ROC which is even comparable to Digvijay Cement, and even PEG ratio is comparable to Digvijay Cement. And if you go on top also, which is company which are almost 10 times bigger than this, then also you'll see the price ROC and ROE is not even comparable to what they are doing, and even PEG ratio and also are not even comparable to what they are doing. So why I'm saying these things, it's not that this company will become tomorrow like ACC or Ultratech Cement, but the company's operations are very much in line in the sense very much they're strict on operations. They don't want to take any debt. They don't want to go high on any kind of less reducing the margin to increase the sales. They are very much on the profit making company and very strict with their ideologies. And any company which is making money will eventually get the market attention and eventually go with a re-rating kind of stuff. That happens. It might take 1 year, it might take 2 years, but if the company keeps on growing, today or tomorrow they will go through a re-rating. And this is what I'm expecting for Digvijay Cement. When this the market cap keeps on increasing, once it touches around 5,000 crores and all, then it will definitely get the attention of the market. Even before that also it can get, but that attention might come anytime, and once that comes, there can be re-rating and there can be huge run up because of re-rating in the stock price. So that might happen anytime. But now, since the company is going through capex, which I'll discuss. So how I got that capex information, first let me share with you. So there is no one call letter or everything to read. So I got the information from Great Ratings, which was published in February. So if you see this rating, so the existing capacity is 1.5 million ton. Okay, with 1.5 million ton, they are doing a revenue of roughly yearly revenue of roughly 792 crores, almost 800 crores. Now this will double to 3 million tons. So they will double to 3 million tons by 2025. So by third quarter or fourth quarter of this financial year, they will do that. So once they will do that, their obviously their sales will double at least, and since they will get some volume advantage, their margin can also expand from here. So this is the chance. And now to do this, they are doing a lot of money from internal accruals, and some money they are taking debt. And their past record has been so good that when we do a capex, right, so sometimes the timeliness of the capex and the budget and everything goes here and there. So this companies, that is a key risk, but the kind of background this company has and the kind of past record they have, the rating companies are quite certain that this company will not get any screw up because of this kind of mishap in the budget cost or in the commercial operations. So once this commercial operation starts kicking in, we can see slowly the growth of the company will be in a faster way in compared to sales in terms of revenue, in terms of profit margin also. And once that thing comes into picture, then and if they do everything what they are doing right now, and so the sales growth and the profit growth and everything, my expectation is that today or tomorrow, as I told you, this company might go through re-rating. Because if you compare with the peer groups, I'll just go and open this sector again. If you compare with the peer groups, their P ratio is almost less. If you say Mangalam Cement, it is almost 42, it is 19. If you cover Udaipur Cement, almost closed market cap, the P ratio is much lesser than that. If you compare Hyderabad Cement, which was a loss-making company for the last 4 5 years, and right now they are trying a kind of turnaround. So we can discuss about Heidelberg Cement also in some other video. But as of now, you can see compared to Heidelberg Cement, this company itself has a much lesser P. So this company, I don't know, is underrated or why there is no attention for this company or what's happening. But on paper, as of now, it looks like a very underrated company, kind of ignored. And with kind of expansion they are doing and with kind of growth they are promising, and the kind of focus Gujarat as a state is getting, I personally see that this stock looks like a very good pick. But again, saying that you have to do your own research and study to decide whether you want to invest in the stock or not. This is again a personal opinion. So this is about this particular company. Fundamentally, this looks pretty good, and the growth and everything looks pretty good. And the timeline, we have around 6 7 months remaining in this year to see the operation kicking in. So whether you can decide to invest now or maybe at later point in time. So this is about the stocks, Digvijay Cement, and personally I'm very bullish, or I'll say that I'm very interested in this particular stock. I've not invested it so far, but I was reading about it a couple of weeks back, but there was a delay in making the video because I was kind of occupied. So here it is. If you find this video helpful, if you think that this stock might be of any kind of investment for you, then do let us in the comment section. Do share with your friends and family, and let's meet up in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.